What's up YouTube, back again, another quick video today, and we're looking at an unboxing of this product that's just arrived by Mr. Amazon Man. Thank you very much. Now what we've got today is the Neewer LS51 probe lens. Now this is retailing on Amazon at the moment for £289.99, but in the UK you can get a £40 off voucher. Now they may be bringing out a new one, I don't know, but anyway, I wanted one of these lenses for a long while, but the other ones that run off your DSLR or your mirrorless camera, they're over £1,000. Crazy money for something that you're just going to use now and again, playing around with. So I went for this one that attaches to your mobile phone. Now I have been running the Pixel Pro 9 and it's not going to fit on that, I don't think. So I was in the process of moving over to Apple. I've done that now. I got myself a Pro Max 13, I think it is, something like that. And yeah, anyway, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. We'll see what we get, and then in a video in a couple of days we shall try this bad boy out. Don't forget guys, if you like this content, you like what I do on my channel, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. It does help me immensely. Right, okay, so what do we get? Okay, looks like I bought a flute. We've got some branding on the front there, as you can see. It's a nice case. Look at that. Yeah. And inside we've got the little instruction manual, as you would expect. We've got a USB Type-C cable, as you can see there. What's that for? Oh yeah, for the LEDs. We've got a little microfiber cloth, a little bit of branding for cleaning, and we've got the probe adapter to your tripod mount sort of thing, and the unit itself. Now wow, this does feel premium quality. I've not felt one of the other ones that are over £1,000, but this is all metal construction. As you can see there, we've got a little bit of branding. We've got power on and off there. Let me just take the little caps off. We've got power on and off. That will be to turn the LEDs on, as you can see there. How bright are they? I mean, from the videos I've seen, seem to do a good job. Oh, right, so we've got power on, then we've got a not so bright look, and then we've got back off again. And a little USB port there for charging the internal battery. But yeah, I mean, this feels premium. Okay, so we stick this on, and then let's get it so we've got the power button at the top. That's going to go on there. Then we've got a focus ring here, if you can see that little focus ring, and then this mounts to your phone. Now I didn't realize at the time that you do need an adapter to do that. Now I've been looking online, I couldn't find a Pro Max 13 cage adapter, so I went for the cheaper option, which I saw a couple of guys on Reddit using, and there doesn't seem to be an issue with it, which is this little product here again from Neewer, and it's the universal phone clamp for 17mm thread lenses. It's going to come in handy if I do buy any more lenses for the phone, which I probably won't. Okay, just a little adapter there. I will show you that quickly. Don't know why you need a little manual for that, but anyway, there's a little manual in there as well. Now then, this is just going to clamp onto the correct lens, like so. And then I will probably have to do it with the case off, but I'll just show you quickly. That then tightens up, keeps it nice and sturdy. That ain't going anywhere. And then we can attach the lens to the probe. Now, if I am going to be recording with this, all the weight is going to be on here anyway. So this is, it's only going to be there for a few minutes while I do the recording, so that ain't going anywhere. And that was a cheaper option at £13.59p with 5% off again. Another voucher opportunity there from Amazon. I'll leave the links to these two products as well, but this is the little bit of kit I've been after for a while. Like I said, I didn't want the expense of paying over £1,000 for something I probably won't use much, but for less than 300 quid, £2.89 minus me 40, it was just under, about £2.50 I think I paid with the, £2.59 it was with the £40 discount. So yeah, we'll have to get some videos done this week to show you how this works. Now I'm just waiting on one more product to help me with the usage with this, and it is one of those electronic tripods sort of things, the monopod sort of affairs. So I bought that off eBay pre-owned, so that was a bit of a saving as well. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. I think we're going to get some nice content. It's something different, isn't it, to have a play with? So yeah, leave a comment if you've got one yourself, and come back to see the results in the next video. Peace out, guys.